Good Tuesday morning to everybody. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Dawn. I do tangle patterns or tangle inspired patterns. They're not always tangle patterns. If you like what you see, think about it and think about subscribing to me. Thank you very much. For my regulars, here is the Buy Me a Coffee link if you want to donate. If you don't, that's cool too. Just making mention of it because not everybody sees every video, and you might not know I have one. This is the page, the back side of this one. I never thought that I would be arting on the back of any of these pages, so this one got kind of a gloopy. But we're just going to deal with it. We're going to run with it. This is what it's going to look like on the next one that covers that one. So I think I'm going to do like a grid pattern. I'm going to use my blue pen and just kind of enjoy myself. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to erase all of these dots because it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter, and I don't want them. Don't want them there. So I'm just going to erase, and maybe it'll erase some of the blue, whatever. I don't even know if this is paint or ink. I don't know what I got on the back of this page because I thought to myself, well, it doesn't matter. It's on the back. No one's going to ever see it. Was I wrong? Yes, I was. Okay. This is exciting content. You watching me erase. I hate eraser dust. Hate it, hate it, hate it. Okay. We're going to make ourselves a nice little border around the outside of this page. Just because I like to keep a border. Just like that will work. I don't think I'm going to draw the border and I'm going to leave it, but I just want to make so sure I don't get too close to the edge. And I do think I want to make a grid. And I think I want it diagonal. All right. And we're going to do the pattern called Keeko. Keeko. Very simple pattern. If you don't know what it is, it's easy to look up, but I'm just going to show you here. Which basically is, you know what, I don't know if this is going to be dark enough. Don't know what this is going to do. I'm going to do it with my brush pen. Can I make it darker? Do I have a darker blue? No, that is my dark blue. I wonder what this purple will do. I don't want purple though. No, that's too purple. I don't want purple on this color scheme of the things that I'm doing. So this is the dark blue. It's what it is what it is. These blotches are going to be visible. So we're just going to do inside each grid, we're going to do that in every other square. Okay. Just skip a square. Skip a square. Can you even see back that far? Of course not. Of course not. Okay. And then just like we're doing a checkerboard, we're going to do it here then. And I'm keeping the strokes different sizes and kind of organic. I'm hoping to disguise some of that blotches. Okay, and then this one. It's a super simple one. It fills in the spaces really quickly. You don't even have to do the grid. I just wanted to put the grid there just so I have an idea of where my squares are, but you don't have to. You can just do it organically. I've done it organically many times. You want to do here. 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 And then you want to do here. Okay, so you could just leave it like that, but then you turn it, or you turn your hand, but I turn my paper, I don't turn my hand, and we're just going to go the other, oh, poop. I did that one wrong. That should have been going this way. Ay. You'll never notice. When I'm all finished, you'll never notice. It'll just blend in. But because I was going organic with my brush strokes, it just feels very soft and textural, like cloth, sort of. All right, that's all there is to it. It is a super quick and easy pattern that just is. I'm going to erase any pencil lines that I have on the page. Not that you can see them because I did them really light, but I can see them and I don't want them. See, that's why I didn't show you a step out, because there's not much to it. That's all there is to that pattern. Isn't that delightful? And it makes it look kind of like cloth. And I have done a really good job of covering up and disguising those blobs. So I'm happy with how that turned out. And then what we will see through the holes is that. And that is also very interesting. So, yeah, I want one more brush stroke right there, because in that hole it needed something else. Those are fine. Okay, so on the next video we're going to do this side and try to incorporate this into that somehow. What I'm going to do, I do not know yet. All right. You guys have a blessed day. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place, one person at a time. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you like my content. If you're not sure yet, then don't. And if you hate my content, go ahead and put a thumbs down. The only way I know if my content is lousy is if you put a thumbs down. So go ahead, do that. You won't hurt my feelings. And I will see you guys on the next video. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Bye-bye.